Hello friends, welcome to Steno Aspirants. Be ready. Start. Growing up, you might have heard the term health is wealth, but its essential meaning is still not clear to most people. Generally, people confuse good health with being free of any kind of illnesses. While it may be part of the case, it is not entirely what good health is all about. In other words, to lead a healthy life, a person must be fit and fine both physically and mentally. For instance, if you are constantly eating junk food yet you do not have any disease, it does not make you healthy. You are not consuming healthy food, which naturally means you are not healthy, just surviving. Therefore, to actually live and not merely survive, you need to have the basic essentials that make up for a healthy lifestyle. If you wish to acquire a healthy lifestyle, you will certainly have to make some changes in your life. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle demands consistent habits and disciplined life. There are various good habits that you can adopt, like exercising regularly, which will maintain your physical fitness. It also affects your mental health, as when your appearance enhances, your confidence will automatically get boosted. Further, it will prevent obesity and help you burn out extra fat from your body. After that, a balanced diet is of great importance. When you intake appropriate amounts of nutrition, vitamins, proteins, calories, and more, your immune system will strengthen. This will in turn help you fight diseases powerfully, resultant in a disease free life. Above all, cleanliness plays a significant role in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Your balanced diet and regular exercise will be completely useless if you live in an unhealthy environment. One must always maintain cleanliness in their surroundings so as to avoid the risk of catching communicable diseases. As it is clear by now, good health is a luxury which everyone wants, but some of them cannot afford. This point itself states the importance of a healthy lifestyle. When a person leads a healthy lifestyle, he or she will be free from the tension of seeking medical attention every now and then. On the contrary, if you have poor health, you will usually spend your time in a hospital and the bills will take away your mental peace. Therefore, a healthy lifestyle means you will be able to enjoy your life freely. Similarly, when you have a relaxed mind at all times, you will be able to keep your loved ones happy. Moreover, a healthy lifestyle will push you to do better in life and motivate you to achieve higher targets. It usually happens that people who are extremely wealthy in terms of money often lack good health. This just proves that all the riches in the world will do you no good if there is an absence of a healthy lifestyle. In short, a healthy life is the highest blessing which must not be taken for granted. It is truly the source of all happiness. Money may buy you all the luxuries in the world, but it cannot buy you good health. You are solely responsible for that. So, for your well being and happiness, it is better to switch to a healthy lifestyle. Stop. Thank you.